Hello everyone, welcome to another session of newspaper analysis at Borthakur IAS Academy, Northeast's premier institute for UPSC and APSC preparations. I hope you all are doing really well. Today we will be analyzing the Assam Tribune dated 16th March 2021. Please like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In the description box below, we have provided the link of the e-paper and you can download it from there. So the first news is about the world's highest railway bridge, which is the Chenab Bridge, and it has been constructed by the Indian Railways. Indian Railways due to bottom arch of this bridge, tar construction work complete korise, and the next task is of course to complete the upper arch of the Chenab Bridge, and that will also be completed soon. A2 Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail project it is going to be a very significant one, because it will provide an alternate and reliable transportation system which will connect Kashmir Valley. Okay, and A2 railway arch connect to that is going to be in the Riyasi district of Kashmir. Mane bridge khonor a main arch to complete G2 point hoise, that is the highest point of the bridge, right? And hetu hoise on the river Chenab in the Riyasi district of Jammu and Kashmir. Aru a bridge khon 359 meters above the river bed hobo, and it is going to be 30 meters higher than the Eiffel Tower in Paris. And the second news is regarding a positive initiative undertaken by the government, okay, in order to deal with the flood situations and also its aftermath. Okay, pratyek bosore ami dekhu je flood creates a lot of destruction in our state. Ohomot pratyek bosore barikha botorot jitu flood situation hoy tar karone okol flood is effect kore hetu nohoy, tar kisuman side effects jibur hoy hebur ami in the form of soil erosion, in the form of landslide, okay, then destruction of flora and fauna, then apunar siltation, pollution, rise in the level of water pollution, enukwa dhoroner kisuman side effects ami dekhibole pao. Human displacement to hoy tar logote environment pollution hoy aru environment eta imbalance create hoi jay. Ohomot duta jitu important river hoy Brahmaputra and Barak along with its tributaries, okay, it creates a huge effect during the flood during the rainy season, and as many as 30 districts of Assam it gets affected during the flood during the monsoon season. Okay, and A2 karne responsible hoy Assam's geographical position, okay, as it lies in the monsoon belt and it is surrounded by hills and mountains. Okay, this overburdens the rivers with the heavy rainfall, and since it is surrounded by hills and mountains, and destruction of these hills and mountains, it makes the soil loose over there, and this eventually leads to issues like landslides and soil erosion. Unplanned urbanization is one of the hidden dangers, okay, that jitu ami etia hoytu realize kora nai, but this in due course of time, maybe 10 years from now, is going to create like a heavy problem for us. Okay, unplanned urbanization mane by the name itself it suggests that jitu urbanization hoise, city development hoise ba formation hoise jibur structures or heblakor kono planning nai, jot jaga paise jot free barren land dekhise tate construction arambho kori dise, or maybe kisuman jagat hills and forest areas bilakok কাটি পেলাই ডিফৰেষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন কৰাৰ পিছত তাতে কনষ্ট্ৰাকশনছ আৰম্ভ কৰিছে, বাট তেওঁলোকে এটো ৰিয়েলাইজ নকৰে যে there is a holding capacity of any land structure, আৰু হেতুতকে যেতিয়া বেছি হৈ যাব, this will lead to problems like soil erosion, landslide, and one more important thing is the problem of urban flood. Okay, urban flood buli eta etu notun eta concept start hoise. Urban flood is like jitu kono dhoroner seasonal nohoy, monsoon period jetia jetia বৰষুণ দিয়ে আৰু যেতিয়া ওয়াটাৰ লেভেল টু বাঢ়ি যায় ৰিভাৰ্ছৰ সাইডৰ পৰা তেতিয়া ফ্লাড হোৱাটো স্বাভাৱিক হেতু হয় নেচাৰেলিও হেতু এটা ৰিজন হয় বাট ফ্ল্যাশ ফ্লাডস এন্ড আৰবান ফ্লাডসবোৰ হৈছে যিকোনো অড সিজনত যেতিয়া বৰষুণ হয় তেতিয়াও যদি হঠাৎ city areas bilakot banpani hoi jay because of clogging of drains, okay, overflowing of drains ebilakok koa hoy flash flood or urban flood, and unplanned urbanization is a reason for that. Okay, aru hills and mountains, cutting hills and mountains without any plan, okay, that leads to that. Ebilakor pora deal koribor karone ebilakor pora ami jate every year we don't have to face such problems, okay, therefore a detailed project report which is known as DPR, okay, that has been proposed by the Rainforest Research Institute at Jorhat. A2 report hoy daily project report, it is based on rejuvenation and management of the Brahmaputra river system, okay, and this has been prepared moi mention korilwe RFRI prepare korise with the help of the support from the forest departments of other northeast states, West Bengal, okay, and another added advantage is that this has been approved by the Union Ministry of Forest, Environment and Climate Change. Yar logote support korise IIT Guwahati, Brahmaputra board, and also other individuals and organizations who are involved in research work related to river systems of the region and to enhance its credibility. Okay, this is a very holistic approach, okay, and which will include a model based plantation activity in the in natural agriculture and urban landscapes of the Brahmaputra basin. This is not only going to solve our problem for flood, okay, flood and soil erosion, but yar logote it will also help in increasing the green cover, okay, sequestering more atmospheric carbon, supporting livelihood issues, and also will make the river basin way more beautiful, okay. Biodiversity conserve koribor karneo hohay koribo, aru yar logote another most important thing is making the people aware. Enikwa dhoroner projects bilak jetia implement kora hoy government or pinopra, we read them in news papers, we get to listen to this news over television or radio, tatia jitu jikhini normal population hoy jun hoyto besi enikwa dhoroner study kori na thake telok involved na hoy telokeo gom pai, and they also work and think on these kind of issues. Nijor kisuman initiatives loy, personally kisuman initiatives loy, maybe flood monsoon period or nije prepare hoy thakibo, they will plant more trees, okay, they will make their children aware of it. Hilly areas of unwanted jikhini mane construction work hoy hekhini hoyto teloke nokoribo. So this way is this is another very positive way of making the people aware of its impact, okay, and how to deal with such situations. Next news is about a scheduled tribe of the hills, okay, which resides within the border areas of India, Myanmar as well as Bangladesh. A2 tribe hoy naam to actually it has 3 different names for 3 different places. Kuki boli jana jay in Manipur, Tripura and Assam, Mizo boli jana jay at Mizoram, okay, and Chin boli jana jay in Myanmar. A is a dispersion of these people, okay, they are scattered across the international borders. It is the action of the British during the colonial rule. Yare temlokor ekhon ancestral land boli koa hoise, which is presently located at northeast India. Some parts of northeast India includes northwest Burma as well as the hill tract of Chittagong in Bangladesh. Zelengam in India, it includes Assam, Tripura, Nagaland and Manipur also, okay. Yare jikhini manu hoy ekhini scheduled tribe hoy, and they have always been a part of India, okay, and তেওঁলোকে খুব bravely they fought the World War II, but etiao they have not been recognized in a way that they should have been. On the other hand, Israel যিটো যিখন নেশ্যন হয়, ইজৰাইলে নিজৰ এনচিষ্টাৰ্ছ মানে বুলি তেওঁলোকক হেৰি কৰিছে, এই কুকি যিটো ট্ৰাইব হয় তেওঁলোকক প্ৰেজ কৰিছে। এনেকৈ কোৱা হৈছে যে কুকি পিপল they originally belong to Israel, okay, they have their roots in Israel, and এনেকুৱা হৈ গৈছে যে there is a law named Law of Alia. As per that law, these people those people who are Jew, okay, they can return to Israel as citizens of Israel even after so many years. Jodi teolokor relation ulai, teolokor roots Israelot poa jay, then they will be considered as Jew, and these people can return to Israel as their citizens. Kisman certain conditions thake, hekhini jodi fulfill kore tetia hole they can return back to Israel, okay. And this will obviously not be acceptable, okay, directly, but jodi kuki jitu tribe hoy, if they don't get the required recognition, okay, a well desired recognition, hey to jodi napai tetia hole they will be bound to make this particular shift. And currently this entire Kuki Chin tribe is a mess, okay, unless initiatives are taken to reduce their to clarify this picture, okay. Both India and the neighboring nations, they may have to face a very offensive revolt by these by this particular tribe and the people who are related to this particular tribe. এখন স্লাইডত মেনশন কৰা হৈছে regarding the lost tribe theory, যেটো মই কৈছিলো যে Israel is claiming, actually Israel কোৱাৰ আগতে this particular theory was developed by some of the Mizos, and it got official legitimacy in April 2005, okay, and they were recognized as descendants of the ancient Israelites or the Bnei Menashe. Etia bahut khini manu ইয়াতে যোন মানে এই ট্ৰাইবটোৰ বহুতখিনি মানুহ তেওঁলোকে কনভাৰ্ট হৈও ৰৈ আছে, that one day they will be accepted, okay, they will be accepted as people and they will return back to their own particular nation, because ইয়াতে যদি হেতু হেৰি ৰেকগনিশ্যন নাপায়, হে যেটো তেওঁলোকে World War II second World War তেওঁলোক আছিলে, ৰিভল্ট কৰিছিলে, কুকি ৰিভল্ট অফ 1917 against the British, hetu asile eta Anglo Kuki war buliu mane eta significant war eta asil buli etia lake kono dhoroner mane confirmation nai yate, kintu holeo eta Anglo Kuki war in the year 1919 was fought buli a tribe to teluke koy etu 2019 ot jetia 100 years complete hoisile a particular war tour, Anglo Kuki War of 1919, tetia Naga aru Kuki tribe tour mazot eta misunderstanding or eta dispute eta hoisile regarding this particular war. Naga people, they claimed that to Anglo Kuki war hoy, it was not a war actually, okay, it was a revolt by the Kuki in the year 1917. So etu loi pela eta dispute hoisile jetu news ot ahisile, and it was important from the civil service point of view at that year 2019. Our law of Alia kotha moi koiswe, under this law the people have the right, the Jew people, they have the right to return to home, that is Israel, as a citizen with some prior conditions. If they fulfill certain conditions, then they have this particular right to go to Israel as citizen, as Israel citizens. Next news is about exports of natural rubber to Nepal by Tripura. After Bangladesh, Tripura is going to export natural rubber to Nepal, and Tripura is the second largest producer of natural rubber, okay, after Kerala, and Tripura is followed by Assam. Natural rubber jetu produce kora hoy and it jitu export kora hoy, it is done in the form of rubber sheets because beleg dhoroner product export korar uporat restrictions ase and hey jikhini natural rubber export korar conditions ase he kisman condition dhori dia hoise aru tat bahut kini restrictions Bangladesh e dhori dise and that's why it becomes difficult for export this natural rubber and rubber sheets outside the northeastern region. This particular business, this particular sector, it provides employment to around 1.5 lakh families in the northeastern states. So it is a good source of employment. Okay, it's a good source of income for the people residing in the northeastern regions. Next to news hoy, these are some important news capsules. Okay, they can be important from the government exams as well as from prelims point of view. Principal farm products from northeastern states, they have been listed out from the Kisan Rail scheme. A Kisan Rail scheme to ki hoy, Indian Railway, they have introduced the Kisan Rails for the first time. Okay, these are special parcel trains that were mentioned in the budget of 2020 and 2021. Okay, and yate a train khon first Kisan jikhon rail hoy, it was introduced from Devlali, Maharashtra to Danapur, Bihar. Earlier mane jibur train asile tat kono dhoroner refrigerated coaches nasile for specifically for transportation of agricultural product. A train bilagot Kisan Rail scheme or under jibilak trains thakibo, they will have refrigerated coaches and these will help in the transportation of perishable agricultural products like fruits and vegetables. Okay, they will reach marketplace within a short span of time jot niki ebilak wastage nohobo, damage nohobo kono dhoroner tate, and this will ensure that it reaches this agricultural product, it reaches to all the corners of our nation. Aru yar pora a principal farm products amar Ohomor mane northeastern states are, this includes tea and bamboo products. Aru etuk ekarne deny kora hoise, ekarne ei list khonor pa uliai dia hoise, claiming that these are neither vegetables nor fruits. And the next news is coming from ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, regarding the launch of sounding rocket RH560. Okay, etu Rohini series or eta rocket hoy. The series includes RH200, RH300, RH560, and these numbers, they indicate the diameter of the rocket in millimeter. Okay, sounding rocket ki hoy, these are certain instrument carrying rockets which are designed to take measurements and perform scientific experiments during the sun orbital flight. Aru a jitu sounding rocket series hoy, this has been launched to study the attitudinal variations in the neutral winds and plasma dynamics from the Sriharikota spaceport. Next news is regarding Martian blueberries. NASA's Mars exploration rover, jitur naam hoise Opportunity, they have found several small sphere-like structures on the surface of the planet, and they have been named as Martian blueberries. And these Martian blueberries, they resemble structures which are present in India's Kutch region. Gujarat enekwa dhoroner similar structures poa goise boli ase jibur resemble korise he Martian blueberries ketar logot. Okay, and this particular Opportunity, the rover, okay, it has studied the mineralogy, and they have noted that these small spheres, Martian blueberries, they are made up of hematite, which is an iron ore. Okay, iron oxide compound, hematite the form hua hoise a Martian blueberries bur, and this is a good sign because it suggests that water was present on Mars. Hematite hematite formation or due to concretion, that is formation of hard solids. Okay, hey mechanism to hoy due to precipitation of aqueous fluid, and aqueous fluid mane there has to be a oxidizing environment, right? And this will be possible only if there was presence of water at some point of time, and hey karone Martian blueberries or jitu news hoy, that is important because it has suggested that water was present on the surface of Mars at some point of time. Now let us have a look at the questions for today. Question number 1. Why are dewdrops not formed on a cloudy night? A. Clouds absorb the radiation released from the Earth's surface. B. Clouds reflect back the Earth's radiation. C. The Earth's surface would have the low temperature on cloudy nights. And D. Clouds deflect the blowing wind to ground level. Question number 2. Carbon monoxide, methane, ozone, sulfur dioxide, which among the following are released into the atmosphere due to burning of biomass crop residue? Question number 3. H1N1 virus, which is mentioned sometimes in news, is in reference with which of the following diseases? A. AIDS, B. Bird flu, C. Dengue, D. Swine flu. Question number 4. These are long answers type questions. Tribal movements under British rule were the most frequent, militant and violent of all freedom movements. Explain. And last, question number 5. National Education Policy 2020 in India is in conformity with Sustainable Development Goal 4 2030. It intends to restructure and reorient education system in India. Critically examine the statement. So this was all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I'll see you again tomorrow with another session of newspaper analysis at Bautakurs IAS Academy. Till then, take care, keep learning and keep educating yourself. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.